Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace a thermostat for BMW 328i. It's a 2015. So guys, this is N20 engine. So first things first, we remove this air filter housing. So to do that guys, there's this connector right here. You just disconnect from there, and then down there guys, we have a clamp. You use a flat screwdriver to unlock it. And then once that is done guys, there are three hooks. One is here, another one is right here, and then the last one guys is right over here. So once it's done guys, you put it gently and then it should be able to just come out from there. And then guys, we have enough space right here guys to work with the thermostat. So guys, right here behind this this air duct thing guys, right here is our thermostat. So right here guys is our thermostat. So guys, I'm going to show you how to do the process and how to take a few stuff from here guys, so you can do it that easily. So guys, first thing first, we disconnect this air duct which takes air from guys the inlet hose and then takes it to the valve cover. So we disconnect that part. And then the second part guys, we disconnect this connector going to that hose, then we take it out. Once that is done guys, we disconnect this vacuum hose which goes back to this air duct which takes air. And then once that is done guys, we disconnect from like that. We just take it out. You just like pull it away from there. We really need space here guys, so when we're working on the thermostat it should just come out without a problem. Okay, next things next guys, we have this connector which goes into the thermostat. So you just right here. So guys, you need a flat screwdriver to just like pull it like that, and then you can push it, then you can pull it out. Alright guys, once that is done, we have this air hose. We just need to take it out. So you just hold on these clips. There are these clips right here guys. You just hold them tightly and then you can push it back, and then this thing should be able to guys to just come out just easily like that. Don't put too much pressure, this thing is brittle. So guys, when that comes out of the way like that guys, we have enough space guys to work on this this thermostat. Guys, one important thing, there is the where this air duct came from. If you have something like a cloth or something to put in there, just cover it, because we don't want coolant get it in. So right guys, we go next step, we have to pull this hose. So we start by this hose guys coming on top here. But first of all guys, make sure you have something below the car to catch the coolant. So guys, I have something below my car right here. So once I do that, I just push it gently. Don't use too much force guys, because this thing is brittle. These are plastics. So once that is done guys, this thing should be able to just come out like that. Then guys, the next thing, we have two more hoses to take out. One has a clamp, and then the other one has like something you unlock with another clamp guys, so you unlock with a flat screwdriver. So down there guys, there are bolts holding this thermostat to the engine, so we'll come to that later on. So we start guys with this lower hose. We use a flat Phillips. You just take your time guys, this might take a while to just open it up. So guys, you take your time, you just open it slowly, and then once it's just loose enough, then you can just use your hand to just to detach it, and then you can pull it away from the thermostat. So guys, we just push it gently. So there's a lot of coolant guys here, so be careful. So once that comes out, it just has a lot of coolant. Be careful guys over there. Alright guys, important note at this point guys, when you start working on the thermostat, make sure the engine is cold. Don't work on a hot engine, so it will really help you guys like make your work smooth. Alright guys, we go to the third one. We have this one with the clamp. So you just take out the clamp, and then guys, you just gently push it like that, and then this should be able to come out like that guys. So at this point guys, our thermostat is free from all the hoses. So what remains guys is two bolts. This is a Torx 25. So you need a tool just like this mine guys, which can easily like get in below the thermostat. So right here guys, next to this hose taking the coolant on the other side, we have our two Torx 25. So you take your time, you gently take it out, and then make sure guys you don't drop the bolts, because you still need them guys to put the other the new thermostat back in there. So guys, you just take your time, you do it slowly, because at this point we are almost entirely pulling this thing out. So guys, once this thing is like this, you just take the lower one, and then this thermostat should be able to just come out. So right, I finished pulling it all out guys. So I just pull out my thermostat. Oh damn, I dropped the ball right there, so I'll still go get it out. Alright guys, so the thermostat is out, so you just do the rest in reverse, and I hope the process has been quite really easy. I hope this video helps you out. Like and subscribe. See you next time.